आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ।
You are tuned to Vigyan Ki Awaaz, a podcast series catalyzed and supported by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, in association with Media for Community Foundation. This program has been conceived and designed by Dr. R. Sridhar with the support of Ashish Tiwari. Technical support is by Sparrows and content support is provided by IGSTC. On 25th March 2010, the Union Cabinet approved the establishment of the Indo German Science and Technology Centre, or IGSTC, in India. It was granted a matching contribution of €2 million per year for 5 years. The centre entered its second phase with a joint declaration signed on 5th October 2015 between India's Ministry of Science and Technology and Germany's Federal Ministry of Education and Research. This establishment granted IGSTC an extension till 2022 and beyond. It also provided for a doubling of the bilateral funding to €8 million, around 60 crore rupees per year. On 2nd February 2016, the Indian Prime Minister, who chaired the cabinet meeting, was apprised of the signing of the joint declaration at the ministerial level. The Indo German Science and Technology Centre was set up with a clear mission and vision to support advanced industrial research partnerships with mutual interest and respect, to develop knowledge networks for the industrial sectors to enhance competitiveness, to establish joint knowledge pools to address global challenges, to serve as the nerve center to promote Indo-German technology partnership. Its mandate includes facilitating and promoting Indo-German bilateral collaboration in basic and applied science, research and technology, encouraging public-private partnerships to foster innovation and industrial application, cultivating cooperation between science and industry, nurturing contacts between young and mid-career scientists and technologists to build mutual trust, leadership and entrepreneurship.
Hi guys, I'm Neeraj.
I'm Kirtana.
We are amongst the first batch of researchers who are awarded the prestigious postdoctoral industrial fellowship from Indo German Science and Technology Center.
Presently, we are working with Fraunhofer Institute for Wind Energy Systems, shortly EWIS. EWIS is one of the leading research institutes in Germany that focuses on research in wind energy. It works closely with industry, providing innovative solutions that are more usable to the industry and society.
I received my PhD from IIT Madras, wherein my field of research is computational fluid dynamics. I work on development of softwares that can simulate flow physics and improve our understanding of flow. Noise is reported to be a major psychological issue which leads to sleeplessness, and it is also reported to have cause issues to farm animals and reduce the yield of farms. So one of the major concerns of industries is with respect to selection of a wind turbine site that would cause that would minimize such effects. So as part of this, I am involved in development of an aeroacoustic solver that would be able to predict the propagation of noise and identify regions where the local noise might be high.
I was working as a scientist in CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center, and my area of interest or expertise is on studying the wind effects on buildings and structures using boundary layer wind tunnel and computational fluid dynamics. So my research here would be around developing an improved engineering model that takes into account of all the aerodynamic phenomena that's taking place under yaw flow for the modern day turbines.
As a researcher, the PDIF Fellowship from the Indo German Science and Technology Center is a wonderful opportunity to learn and work from global leaders. This is a very good venue to learn new skills and probe deeper into very pertinent industry-related problems, creating innovative solutions.
The fellowship also supports international networking and knowledge sharing. As a classic example of that, both of us are active participants of International Energy Agency Technology Collaboration Program Tasks 39 and 47 with specific focus on aeroacoustics and aerodynamics of large wind turbines. During these meetings, we get to interact and share our research work with pioneers from wind energy industry and academic institutes.
The fellowship also provides us a wonderful opportunity to play a pivotal role in bringing collaborations between research centers in India and Germany. Likewise, we could carry forward in providing platforms for the 2+2 program as well as bilateral workshops.
We intend to make the best use of this fellowship and shape our research career better. And for those of you who are planning to apply, we would like to tell you that IGSTC and German Embassy in India will support you in every possible way till you reach Germany and even further.
So guys, grab this wonderful chance and make the best of it. Best of luck.
All the best.
Hello everyone, I am Sheena Agarwal. I am a student doing my PhD at the National Chemical Laboratory in Pune, India. I basically got to know about the IGSTC fellowship through my professor, Kavita Joshi. She told me about this opportunity and we discussed that probably, doing a project here in industry would be a good opportunity because I have this interest of joining industry after my PhD. So this is a kind of program which acts as a bridge between academics and industry. And it was the right kind of program for me. So we applied for it and I got through the interviews and I got to know that I was selected for it. And under the program, I was going to be working with BASF in Ludwigshafen in Germany. So I started my journey here in the month of August. 1st of August is when I joined here. So far it's been a pretty good and enriching experience. I am working here with Dr. Sandeep Dey, and the group here mainly works in the area of quantum chemistry, the field that even I come from my PhD. And the work that we plan on doing here is mainly on the lines of doing a substructural search for finding similarity between substructural levels. We are trying to use different kinds of tools that will aid this and a lot of machine learning techniques.
Hello everyone, I am Harish. I am PhD student from IIT Bombay. I work under the supervision of Dr. Ankit Jain in the field of computational material science. I got to know about this fellowship through a friend of mine. Then I applied and I went through the interview process and I got selected for BASF to work for 6 months under the supervision of Dr. Sandeep Dey. Here in BASF, my main work is on exploring the electrocatalysis process through computational methods using machine learning and quantum mechanical methods. And apart from this research work, main thing is from academia, industrial exposure is very nice. The experience which we get in industry is invaluable. It is completely different and more practical from academic research. And it will definitely help to build your career forward. So this industrial exposure you will get, whether you are in academia or industrial jobs, it will definitely give you a lot of boost.
So talking about how will it help my career, it actually is immensely enriching on a lot of fronts. Right from being a part of a group here at an industry itself is a big exposure, as it is very different from my experience in academics. Also, it is very good to be a part of a team which is international. So we have group members like from different parts of the world and we interact in our group meetings, and it is very enriching to hear about the work that is going on at the global level in the group. Also, on a personal level, it is very enlightening to learn about a lot of more tools, and also it is giving me an opportunity to populate my toolkit with a lot of additional tools as far as AI and ML goes, and I'm sure these will help me greatly in the future. So overall, it's a very good experience. I thank IGSTC, my professor Sandeep here and BASF for giving me this opportunity and making it possible for me. So thank you so much.
That's all in today's episode of Vigyan Ki Awaaz. Stay tuned for more stories that celebrate science, collaboration and innovation.
आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आप की